So let's get into, I think we're ready for the West Side Roundup.
Got it.
All right. I think I stole your Anderson Market, didn't I?
That's all right.
Yeah.
You probably did it better than I would have done it anyway.
Yeah. All right. Let's get into the West Side Roundup. We're going to start here with Avon. And if you're new to joining us here, the West Side Roundup is just that, a roundup of your big suburban communities on the west side of Indianapolis. And we do it as a roundup because you'll quickly see here in just a moment how closely related all of the data is. It's kind of shocking, really, because it does cover a lot of the full west side of Indianapolis. So let's get into some of these numbers and see what they look like for January 2025. Now, I'm going to bleed through a lot of this, Mike, especially as we go through the rental and sales data. So jump in where you feel the need.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Number of active homes here in the Avon area, which doesn't surprise me much. The apartments and townhomes didn't figure into the previous year very much. You only have 9 apartments and 1 condo. So number of active single-family homes is actually up 20% month over month at 24. Your average rental price over time at $19.50, which is ticking down just ever so slightly, almost no need to mention. Average days on market at 28, which is down. Now that one we will mention. This is a beautiful number to see. Anything under 30, certainly in the winter months, is nice to see. Your average price per square foot at $1.04, ticking down almost 1%. And then, of course, I've already mentioned the number of apartments at 1140 average rent, $1.35 your average square foot. And you see the condo numbers there for yourself. Anything you want to mention on that one?
No, you already mentioned it. For me, the number to highlight is days on the market. 28 for January that's really unreal. And I think it kind of carries through to the other areas, but that's incredible. 28 days on the market is great. We've seen that for months and months on end. So
exactly. I know. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Let's see if it does carry over. All right. Avon sales information before we get into the other West Side Roundup markets. Average days on market for a home currently on the market for sale is 50 days on the market, which is up 21% year over year. These, if you missed on the front end of this, I kind of gave my futuristic outlook of the market to come, and a lot of these numbers, in my opinion, are indicating just that. Mike disagreed. Just note that for the record. Average price per square foot is $162. Your average sales price at $316 month over month. You're down, approaching 6% there. Same thing on the year over year, actually. Homes sold 27, which is down 15.6%, and year over year down just under 16%. Check out your average sales price over time and your number of homes sold within that investor point of view at a time that's convenient. Anything on the sales side, Mike?
No, other than you may be right, Chris. Just as we go through this,
right?
The numbers seem to support your theory. I mean, we will see, but number of homes sold, days on the market. Number of homes sold is typically down. Average days on the market is typically up, and some pretty big fashions. So it's you may be right.
I love anything that makes you feel like you're clued into the market a little bit, and I definitely feel like this is indicating that I am a little bit clued in. But it also speaks to the value of the market reports that we're putting out. I mean, we're putting out much more valuable data than I would argue the local MLS will ever provide you. So, all right.